Hello, my name is Pragnesh Shah and today we are going to discuss the subjects of second year BSc in IT. Welcome to Pioneer Education Center. Let's look at the subjects in semester 3. As you have just completed your second year in BSc, second semester in BSc IT, let us go through what are the different subjects. So we have a first subject called Python programming. Now as the programming, you know you have done imperative programming and C++. So Python is another object-oriented programming language, very useful for the data science. And the data science is booming right now, at least for the next decade. Right? So it is the first step to learn the data science is the Python programming. So consider that in future if you are going for the data science or anywhere in the other computer related field, this is going to be a very important subject. So we have with practical, that means you have a separate exams called theory and practical exams, and Python programming has to be done again, compiling, executions, and that way you will learn. So I considered and I put it as a star mark that indicates it's a programming language and you have a practical exam. Next, it's called data structure. Now this subject is the foundation for engineering. Very important. If I'll say that any corporate company offers a 10 days training program to the employees for a freshers, they put 3 days out of 10 for the data structure. Very basic and important subject. Now in data structure, if you go in detail, we have arrays, pointers, functions को use करके सारे methods like sorting, searching, binary tree, algorithms you will learn in this subject. So I invite you to give the highest importance to the subject called data structure. Now data structure is one concept. Let's say concept name is stack, or concept name is queue, or concept name is linked list. So that is the one algorithm you will learn. When it comes into the implementation, we have a question that whether university is choosing C language or C++ or Python or Java. So as you have completed C and C++, your college allows you to do this data structure using C or C++. Next is applied mathematics. This is challenging subject as compared to semester 1 and 2. Engineering का syllabus है, you again have to give the importance to that. Double integrations and many more. So those students who are from the commerce background, give extra efforts. So I have given the importance wise the subject ka hierarchy. So first one is Python, second is data structure, third is applied mathematics. These are the bare minimum where you have to consider that highest important. The next subject is called mobile programming. Mobile programming is the subject name from Mumbai University. Actually you are learning Cordova programming. So in this you have a relax. ये semester में total 6 subjects है, but examinations 5 subjects का देना है in theory. And for mobile programming you have only practical exams, no theory exam. And you will learn Cordova. So at the end of the course of the entire semester 3, if you know mobile programming very well, you will able to make your own app. So it's very interesting to learn applied mobile programming in app format. So 4 subjects आपका completed हुआ यहाँ पे for the basic introduction. Then the next one is DBMS called Database Management System. Now अभी तक आप लोगों ने प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस सीखा सेमेस्टर 1-2 में, कोर सब्जेक्ट सीखा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सब्जेक्ट सीखा लेट्स से डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड माइक्रो प्रोसेसर, बट बैक एंड जिसको बोलते हैं डेटाबेस आपने नहीं सीखा. So this is the first time you are learning database management system. ऐसा बोलते हैं एंड ऐसा इंडस्ट्री के पीपल भी ऑलवेज बिलीव करते हैं कि यू शुड बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इन द फ्रंट एंड, एनी वन फ्रंट एंड, आइदर जावा, .NET, C# लैंग्वेज और पाइथन, एनी फ्रंट एंड एंड वन बैक एंड. सो बैक एंड में यू हैव अ DBMS जहां पे आप Oracle, MS SQL और MySQL you can learn. So again data structure जैसा है, concept is DBMS, you can apply in Oracle, you can apply in MS SQL, you can apply in MySQL, right? So DBMS is another important जहाँ पे how to create table. अभी आपने HTML में table सीखा, but वो क्या किया आपने, खाली display करने के लिए. I am talking about the table in which data stored, organized way. Then I will write some query called structured query language. Through that I can display the data of tables, but not all data, depending upon my requirement. That is called DBM. And last subject है आपका computer network. Now this is theory subject, कुछ numericals भी आएंगे. कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का इंपॉर्टेंस यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. अगर सिंगल स्टैंड अलोन कंप्यूटर है तो आज उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. It is always in a network. So you have a protocols, right? You have Ethernet and many more. Networking related pure subject. Okay. So this overall semester 3 is going to be turning point for your Bachelor of Science in IT. What happened in first year? You have created yourself an entry point. तो सारे basic subjects थे. And now you got 1 year of experience. So I'm inviting you everyone कि this semester में आप with depth करेंगे, from industry point of view करेंगे, and then with practical करेंगे, right? So consider this pandemic, you have the whole semester online होगा, नहीं पता. Maybe part semester online होगा, part semester offline होगा, नहीं पता. But इतना clear है कि if it is online right now, for first 2 months उसका maximum utilization करो time का and learn with the depth. At Pioneer Education Center we are running since last 18 years this Bachelor of Science in coaching classes, and we have expert team of professors. I invite you to register for the free demo lecture, and we are going to begin in the June first week. Any part of the country or any part of the Maharashtra you can definitely join क्योंकि ये online पूरा बैच बन रहा है. I invite कि जहाँ पे expert team of professors अगर compiler के साथ compile करके आपको दिखा रहे हैं तो आप अपनी screen share करेंगे, वहाँ पे आपके errors आएंगे, वो professor solve करेंगे. This is going to be amazing experience for you. So if you really like this video, share and registered for the even subscribe, and in the next coming videos we will look at your reply and make another video for you. Thank you.